Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread using a simple Jiffy mix. It's incredibly easy and perfect for any meal. First, gather your 3 essential ingredients: 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix, 1 large egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, lightly grease an 8-inch square baking pan, ensuring your cornbread won't stick. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's mix the batter. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the entire package of Jiffy cornbread mix with your 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients gently with a spoon or whisk until they are just moistened. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will help ensure your cornbread stays tender and moist. With your batter mixed, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the cornbread batter evenly into your greased 8-inch square baking pan. Place the pan into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The internal temperature should be at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Your delicious Jiffy cornbread is now ready. Before slicing, let it cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling time helps the cornbread set, making it easier to cut without crumbling. Once slightly cooled, cut your cornbread into 9 equal squares. Serve it warm as a wonderful side dish with chili, soup, or simply enjoy it on its own. It's a perfect, easy treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.